Want to play the classic game Skate 3 on your PC? Since it was never officially released for computers, you'll need to use a PlayStation 3 emulator. Here's a guide on how it's done. The primary tool for this is a PS3 emulator called ARPCS3. Your first step is to visit the official ARPCS3 website on your computer, download the latest version, and install it. Next, you will need the Skate 3 game files, known as the ROM or game dump. To do this legally, you must create these files yourself from your own physical copy of the Skate 3 game disc using a PS3 console. Downloading this file from the internet is often a copyright violation. Once you have the necessary files, open the ARPCS3 emulator. You'll need to install the official PS3 firmware, which can be downloaded from Sony's website. After that, you can load the Skate 3 game files into the emulator. A final important note: emulation can be technically complex and requires a fairly powerful PC for games to run smoothly. Performance will depend heavily on your computer's hardware. After the setup is complete, you can configure your controller and start playing Skate 3 on your PC.